are you? I hope all are you good. Today let me start GK Unit 7 Brain Teaser, Chapter number 15, Number Logic. So try solving the following fun match puzzles in the shapes given below. Okay, let me try. Try dividing a circle into 11 pieces using just 4 lines. 4 लाइन में उसको 11 पार्ट में डिवाइड करना है. Draw it out below. So let me check. This one and this one, 1, 2, and the next is 3, and the last one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's done. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11. Next question. Place 10 plates along the edges of a rectangle so that each edge has the same number of plates. Okay, let me start. Okay, this 4 sides and this one and this one. 10 plates. 2, 4, 6, 8 और 10. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 50. Coding, decoding. Chapter number 51, Coding and Decoding. In these questions, the letters in a word are replaced by certain other letters according to a specific rule to form its code. The candidate is required to detect the coding pattern rule and answer the questions accordingly. Question number 1. In a certain code, teacher is written as B, G, C, E, J, G, T. Okay. So, how is children written in that code? Number 1. Question number 1. Option is D. E, J, K. C, H, I, L, D, R, E, N. Children. 2. In a certain code language, rusticate is written as Q, T, T, U, I, B, D, B, S, D. How would statistic be written in that code? So option is B. R is B, U, I, T, U, H, B. Question number 3. If roast is coded as P, Q, I, U, R in a certain language, then how will sloppy be coded in that language? Sloppy. तो हम sloppy कैसे लिखेंगे इसमें? C, Q, N, M, R, N, A. This one. 4. If health is written as G, S, K, Z, D, G, then how will NOR be written in that code? So the number 4 code is B, G, S, Q, N, M. In a certain code, breakthrough is written as this one, E, A, O, U, R, B, R, G, H, K, T. How is distribution written in that code? So the question number 5 option is C, this one. In a certain code language, beat is written Y, V, Z, G. Then what will be the code of MILD? So number 6 code is NROW, D. In a certain code, favor is written as ABUPTS. How is danger written in that code? So answer number 7 is B, CBMHDS. Question number 8. If summer is coded as runner, the code of winter will be summer runner. Now winter code is B. In a certain code, basic is written as DDULE. How is leader written in that code? Number 9 option is B. NHCGGU. In a certain language, site is written as FVTUG. How is reveal written in the same language? Eriny. ERIRNY. D. 11. In a certain code, belief is written as AFKKDI. How is seldom written in that code? So question number 11. Option is C. This one. Question number 12. If truth is coded this, then the code for false will be this. C. 12 is C. 13. If Delhi can be coded at this, how would you code Bombay? D. If Bombay is written as this, how will Tamil Nadu be written in that code? B. In a certain code, telephone is written is ये उल्टा लिखा हुआ है telephone. How is alligator written in that code? Alligator. R, alligator. A or R? This one, A. Option A. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 52. The diameter of the circle is 4 centimeter. Calculate the area that is shaded. जो shaded वाला area है वो क्या है? 4, 6. .76 square meter. Hidden in the grid are 8 7-letter words. Each word will begin with the central S, and then you can keep on moving to the next letter in any direction. Each letter is used exactly once. What are the words? Let me start. Okay. SIXTEEN 16. SH SEAWWEED seaweed. Next, SAUSAGE sausage. Next one, SPANER spanner. Next one, SPEAKER, speaker. Okay, next one, SYRYNG, syringe. And the last one is question number 3. Using the letters E, E, I, S, 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 T, 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 complete this grid so that it reads the same across as down. Okay. STIR, still. EIST, TIRE, tire, IRIS, iris. Okay, and the last one is REST, rest. Still, tire, iris, rest. Question number 4. What comes next in this sequence? A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. तो यहाँ पे आएगा L. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 53. Number series. Find the missing term in each of the following series. Okay, let me start. Question number 1. 6, 15, dash 45, 66 and 91. 28. 2. 2, 5, 9, 19, 37, 75. 4, 8, 28, 80, 24, 7, 28. 0, 6, 24, 60, 120, 210. Answer number 4, 336. 1, 4, 27, 16, dash 36, 343. So the answer is D, 125. 4, 6, 12, 14, 28, 30. 32. Yes. 6 option. मतलब 12, 6, 12, 14, 28, 60. 32 just 60. Number 7. 1, 9, 25, 49, 121 and 81. 8. 4, 7, 12, 19, 28, 39. 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 25, 29. C. Ten. 2, 5, 9, 20 and 27. 10, 18, 28, 14, 54, 17. 70. मैंने 18 और 10 28. 10, 12. Option is D, 88. Question number 12. 120, 99, 80, 63, 48. $35, 13, 22, 24, 28, dash 52 and 84. So the answer is 36. 0 to 8, 14, dash 34. Answer is 24. 15. 1, 5, 3, 24, 41, 61. 2, 15, 41, 80 and dash 132. 1, 4, 10, 22, 46. So the option is C, 94. 5, 6, 9, 15, dash 40. The answer is 25. 4, 12, 36, 108. 324. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27. B. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 54. Analogy. In each of the following questions, there is a certain relationship between two given words. On one side and one word is given on another side of, while another word is to be found from the given alternatives having the same relation with this word as the words of the given pair B. Choose the correct alternative. Giant, dwarf. Genius, idiot. C. Newspaper, press, cloth, mill. D. Number 3. Cattle, herd, sheep, flock. Acting, theatre, gambling, casino. Mumbai, Maharashtra, Trivandrum, Kerala. Menu, food, catalog, books. Seven. Pulp, paper, hemp, rope. Dog, bark, goat, grunt. No, sorry, bleat. food, stomach, fuel, engine. C. Ten. Moon, satellite, Earth, planet. Yes. Eleven. Cricket bat, hockey stick, bird wing, fish, fin. Good, bad, watcher, 14. Wise. Melt, liquid, melt, liquid हो जाता है. Freeze, solid. Yes. Sixteen. Safe, secure, protect, guard. Girl, beautiful, boy, smart, smart, handsome, handsome. Chair, furniture, shoe, chair, furniture, अच्छा footwear, okay. B, footwear. Option is B. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 55. Missing numbers. Find the missing numbers from the given responses in the following questions. Answer is B. यहाँ पे आएगा 13. Question number 2. Find the missing terms from among us the options. Select the missing number from among us the options. D. 11. 4. Choose the missing term to complete the given series. 21. Use the rule of the pattern and find the missing number which will replace the question mark. So students, all chapters of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understood all chapters and enjoyed a lot. So we will meet you in the next class. Thank you.